In this video we're going to look at galleries, how you can move galleries around, how you can edit the settings, why you might use galleries and not use images next to each other or vice versa. So let's first of all look at the web builder again and galleries. So that is an image and the images underneath are also images. So what I'm going to do first, I can copy this image. You just hit copy and copy it to the same page, or I can drag in another image block and then add an image to it. So in this instance I'm going to copy an image to this page and it will give me two images, same, and then I'm going to move that image next to it in the other column. Now above that image there would have been spacers, because you can only have a spacer if there's two columns. There must be a spacer in one of them unless there's an image in it or other text. So now I've got two images. Now if I was to do the same with a gallery, I can grab the gallery and I can bring it into one column or the other column or in between the images, or I can put it above the images or below the images. And if I put it above like that, above both images, then I can add images to that gallery. So what we're going to do is add some basic images to the gallery again. That's one image. Click on the box, add another image. I'll put the same in again. Okay, so you've got two images in the gallery. If you click on the white part of the gallery, it gives you your gallery options. So I've decided there I want two images in the gallery, and you can see that it's filled the space with two images. And then in gallery image ratio, it's currently in a rectangle, but we know that they're circles which are almost square. So if you put none, it'll just put them as they are. If you put square, it would have squared them both and cropped them in a square. You can have borders around them, but we don't want to have borders around them. It doesn't make much sense really to have borders on there. Image spacing is the space between each image in the gallery. And then if we say we want 3 images or 4 images, it reduces the size of the images so you can add more images to the gallery. Now with the display caption, we have various options on the caption that we can have. And I'll go through those in some detail. First of all, clicking on the gallery box, now click on the image in the gallery, you get another menu. So you've got alt text, which we talked about earlier. You want to make sure that your alt text on all images on the website are filled in. It's important that they're descriptive and they're relevant. Okay. So click on you can see the alt text is filled in, it's blue. Caption. So if you want a caption, this is where you put the caption. So obviously the caption could be anything you like. You don't have to have a caption if you don't want to. Click on the image again, captions filled in. Click on link, and this is where you link to any other part of the website or any part off the website, so any other website. Okay. Now, when we click on the gallery itself, we get the gallery options back, and if we click on lightbox and partial thumbnail, you can see that's now what it looks like. We've got a caption over it. If we click on lightbox and full thumbnail, that's what the caption looks like. Okay, and then we might want to click on display on caption hover only, in which case what happens is as you hover over it, it gives you the caption. And you can change the text style of the caption in themes again. Okay, so as you can see, you can have a gallery, you can have as many images in it as you like, you can change the space of the images, you can put captions on the images, you can alt text every image, and you can have as many images as you want in the gallery. So we're going to add another image. Now we've got 2 columns wide in the gallery and 3 images. We can change it to 3 images wide, and then you can see it starts to come together and looks quite nice. So if we had 3 icons there for you to choose different things, you could then put links on each of those icons, and one might be shop, one might be delivery, and one might be tutorials, for example. If we add another image to that column, we've now got 2 small images plus a big image, because we've got 3 columns and one column is bigger than the other. If we drag it in there, we've now got 3 small and then 1 spacer. Delete the spacer and we'll have 3 equally sized images. Then we click on upload image and we can upload any image we want. So now we've got 3 images and we've got 3 images. One is in a gallery and one are individual pictures. And we can change the size of those individual pictures independently. Okay, so that gives you an idea of the difference between images and gallery.